The Enforcement Directorate has arrested former Minister and Karnataka Congress MLA B Nagendra in connection with a high-profile financial scam. The arrest took place at approximately 10:30 p.m. on Friday. B Nagendra, a prominent Karnataka Congress leader, is now in custody following an investigation linked to a first information report filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. The case centers around the misappropriation of funds from the Maharshi Valmiki Scheduled Tribe Development Corporation. The origins of this investigation trace back to the complaint lodged by the Union Bank of India. The bank accused certain individuals of cheating, forgery, and the unlawful transfer of funds from the savings and secured overdraft accounts of Maharshi Valmiki ST Development Corporation. These fraudulent activities reportedly occurred between February 26, 2024 and May 6, 2024 at the bank's MG branch. Following the Union Bank's complaint, the CBI launched an inquiry which later involved the Enforcement Directorate. The ED's probe intensified, leading to searches at properties linked to various MLAs, including their personal residences. On Friday morning, B Nagendra was summoned to the ED zonal office in Bengaluru to record his statement. The fraud came to light after the managing director of the Maharshi Valmiki ST Development Corporation sent a letter on May 23, 2024, prompting a thorough investigation. This development spurred the involvement of a special investigation team appointed by the Karnataka government, which questioned Nagendra and another MLA, Daddal, earlier in the week. B Nagendra is scheduled to be produced in the court on Saturday, indicate that ED will seek his custody for further interrogation. This case adds to the growing scrutiny of financial malpractices involving high-profile political figures in Karnataka. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.